Good afternoon, everyone, and welcome back. This is Daily Trade Analysis with a quick market update for today, 29th of February, Leap Day. Today we got the famous PCE. In terms of PCE and personal spending and income, the data came as expected. It's not super good because the core PCE month over month came higher than the previous one, but met expectations, 0.4%. And in terms of year over year and month over month, the headline PCE price came also higher than before on the month over month, but a little bit lower than the year over year. But in terms of expectations, the market were met. That coupled with the fact that continuing jobless claims came higher than expected, way higher, and also initial jobless claims came also higher than expected. I think this is a lot of, well, I think the market is decently happy, as we are going to see on the price action. At the beginning, I think we were skyrocketing, but after some kind of digestion, remember that we have to be patient with the initial move. Sometimes that's manipulation, and it's better in days like this one in which volatility is skyrocketing, just buy some dips and manage your risk into a possible breakout and push higher. So that's basically my strategy in days like this one. In terms of price action, as we are going to start the technical analysis, this is the 30-minute chart, and we've been doing lower lows and lower highs until this time. This is not a trend line. This is not retail charting. I'm just pointing out that there's liquidity to the upside and to the downside. We were just taking that, but there were some imbalances down here that were met, and these kind of candles are quite bullish. So depending on the data, we were going to manipulate lower or push higher. So that's why we have to wait and react to the data. So if we put now what happened into the overnight, we were just trying to sell off, but we couldn't. We couldn't sell off. And basically we were waiting until that data came out, and then the initial move pushed higher. Into the open, we tried to go higher, and we take all the liquidity that was up here. That's why I was not willing to move higher or take longs up here. Just wait for dip. So where can we expect dips? That's part of the art of the retracements, the art of watching price action and seeing candles form. There's no ICT, there's no moving averages, there's no fib retracement in this chart. It's just price action. And as you can see, things like this were just scaring a lot of retails. And paper hands, in this case, get rid of longs. And here at this kind of structure, way lower the value, this is where smart money and experienced traders take trades, managing risk with entries like, for example, this one, targeting this kind of liquidity. For example, this is how you trade highly volatile days like today. And if you didn't trade, that's okay. If you trade and miss this entry, that's also okay. Just I'm trying to share with you how I would trade this price action. Today I didn't trade due to personal circumstances. I couldn't basically focus on today, but this move down was quite bullish, and this kind of B reversal is what you're looking for in days like today. Also, convergences. In days like today, we have strong dollar, and if dollar keeps going higher and higher and higher, you can just track liquidity and wait to see some kind of weakness on the dollar to see if Nasdaq starts catching some beats. That's what I did also. We were consolidating in this zone, and here at this candle, dollar started making this kind of consolidation up here. So I was looking towards maybe a move below the 45 moving average. That's the blue line. And right now we are also here. And I think dollar, if it goes clearly below this moving average, I think we might see some kind of push to higher prices in the Nasdaq. Right now, at this time, there's a 1 hour fair value gap inverse that keeps holding since last week. This is the fair value gap that I'm watching. We rejected that, and there's a possibility of a big squeeze into the afternoon, into the power hour, with all the amount of people that were short into this hole, were trying to reverse the entire move, got trapped down here, and it's going to continuously covering towards the high of day. This liquidity up here, it's also interesting. So I do not discard that into the afternoon we might see some kind of crazy move. The PCE was not brilliant, was not super bullish, but met expectations. And dollar, it's starting to see some weakness. Treasuries are starting to pick some kind of bottom. They are in the green. Also, the Russell started to curl a bit. Google curling, Nvidia holding, Meta curling. This is the kind of thing that slowly you can see how the market is buying. It's not super bullish, but it's buying today. And that kind of move, when there's a lot of shorts that were short since the open, that's how you see these kind of explosive moves into the afternoon. That's a possibility. I won't be trading, I won't be watching the markets, but if you see this video and you want to maybe catch some opportunities into the afternoon, watch that, but with a pullback. I would be watching things like a pullback into this fair value gap, like this, to catch some shorts into the 1 hour inverse that we are right now trading. But we will see. Just manage your risk. Today is a highly volatile day. Tomorrow is Friday, 1st of March. So be really careful. PCE was a little bit of higher than expected, but met the consensus. So we might see some resolution, final resolution, and a squeeze into the afternoon. Anything can happen. Check yourself and be patient. And that's all from my side. As always, thank you for your time. If you found this video useful, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, because I upload videos like this one every single day for market forecast, market updates, and market recaps. I appreciate your time as always. Remember that trading day is not over yet. I can see some opportunities into the afternoon, but manage your risk. Be really careful. If you don't have a clear understanding or experience about how to trade days like today into the afternoon, just throw the towel and wait for tomorrow. Tomorrow will be a more clear day for you to take even better opportunities. So be patient, be disciplined, manage your risk, and see you tomorrow. Stay safe, everyone.